Hello, everyone. Welcome to Thursday, April 2nd. Burr, then better. That's kind of how things are going to go here as we look ahead. I've got bad news. I've got good news. First of all, the bad news, temperatures are going to be extremely cold through Friday, far below average. We're looking at near record temperatures or maybe some record temperatures tonight. It is Friday morning. We're also going to continue to have some snow chances through today into tonight before the weather clears out a bit on Friday. Now, there's a nice rebound coming this weekend into the middle of next week. Spring-like weather. Modified spring weather. It'll be slow to warm up this weekend, but by early next week, really Monday through Wednesday and probably Thursday of next week, we'll have a real bona fide spring pattern. However, storm potential, we were hinting at this yesterday. It remains for late next week, and we'll show you why. But it's a week away or longer, so things could change, but we'll keep an eye on it. Let's take a look at Casper this morning. There was the heaviest snowfall reported in the central counties of the state. As expected, it looked like the southwest, south central areas of the state. We had a band of moderate to heavy snow go across eastern Sweetwater, central and western Carbon County, up through Casper and up into the Black Hills. That's what it looks like this morning in many areas of central and northeast and south central Wyoming. Here's what the forecast is for the rest of today. You can see that the lighter precipitation with this storm is in the southeast corner of the state. Just a little bit of light snow, drizzle, and fog for southeastern Wyoming, the panhandle of Nebraska, and northeast Colorado. Now, this little strip here of snow will develop later today and tonight, could affect the Denver area, with some snow and icy conditions later this afternoon, this evening, and overnight, especially on that Palmer Divide, Denver to Colorado Springs. Could get a little bit icy later today and tonight. Then we have a band of heavier snow that lines up with the best support aloft and the best moisture. This will come in later this morning into the afternoon hours, then move out tonight. Taking a look at overnight low temperatures. These are forecasted temperatures. These are in Fahrenheit for Friday morning. Look at these temperatures. Single digits. Then anywhere you see this gray are single digits to maybe below zero. Now, this is a computer model. This may be a little extreme, but certainly the single digits will happen. 1 or 2 degrees below zero, that's happened before in April. Doesn't happen very often, but that is cold. The source region for the cold air that's coming in that you see right here has come all the way out of the Yukon, all the way out of northwest Canada. Now, the good news is, as we evolve the weather pattern, this colder air gets pushed out. This is where we are today. We talked about the Northwest Territories of Canada. Boom. There's that cold air coming in with the low and the big dip that we have right now with the jet stream. However, by the weekend, look at this. We still have high pressure in the Gulf of Alaska, and we do have a big low coming in, but southwest winds will pump in warmer air from the Pacific and the desert states into the central and western side of the U.S. So, yay, we get a little bit of spring weather this weekend through, let's say, Wednesday and Thursday of next week. We'll have some showers around, but 50s, 60s, even some 70s coming the parts of the high plains and Rockies during the first half of next week. However, see this guy right here? We were saying that this guy could slip in and head towards the Four Corners area, and that's exactly what the computer models are still showing. By next Friday, we've got a deepening storm over central Colorado. This is a textbook April storm. Textbook April storm means snow, possibly heavy. It means rain. It means thunder, lightning, everything but the kitchen sink. And then as it heads east, it'll cause a bunch of severe weather here. So this is a computer model. We always talk about computer models. You got to take them with a grain of salt. Take this with a grain of salt, but we'll be watching this potential late next week. Friday, Saturday of next week will be the next major storm to be concerned about. But after we get rid of this cold, we do have a nice warm up coming. Thanks for listening and watching to the Day Weather Podcast. We'll talk to you on Friday.